You know, only if that handicap spot was marked, they wouldn't have parked there. It's kind of read and run for a little bit before the first big slide. It's a pretty good flow. Scout it, you can jump out real quick. We got tons of time, so if you want to look at it, it's a series of 3 big slides. If you want to just run it blind, yeah, it's a pretty good blind one. You'll know where to go as soon as we get over the horizon line. It's nothing major. I go kind of center to left, to left, to left, boof down there, big boof at the bottom, eddy out, and then I ferry across and then kind of boof. But you can just run left the whole way. But just keep your bow up. We hit all the best spots. Yeah! I'm not going to try to get over there today. Normally you can get over there that little flake. Just get in this eddy down here, that big one where you see them. We'll get out. We need to look at this one. What I like to do here is where Wesley is. Come on. You want to kind of like, this is a pretty gravy, rapid. Yeah, Wesley's going to fire into it. Go right. Stay right. Go right. Don't go where he went. Did you hear it? Watch where I go. I'm going to use these rocks to flare. I'm going to flare on these rocks over here. If you can't make it to the flare, go where Wesley did, but stay right. Catch a lefty off of it. That way it's going to turn you more to the right. I'm going to try to get up and just, I like to flare these. Corner pocket. It's a bad undercut.
I love rapids called corner pocket. Every time there's a rapid called corner pocket in Cali, it's my favorite.
You went a little, I was screaming, go right. Go. Did you hit the rock? But you can see the line. You can kind of like just ride it.
Like kind of down this left, left and not the lake.
Yep. So I'm going to ride this flume right here. I'm just going to ride that flume, kind of like edge it and just ride out. And I'm going to be up against that rock and go down. There's a little sieve on the left, but if you get kicked far left, give it a good hip jump and you'll get over it. I try to just hug that wall and just don't get in the pocket. I've eddied out there before and eddied out and then turned and burned and got out of it. It's just keep your wits about you. It will shove you into that rock wall. Stay against the rock. You want to come out on the right side. Yeah. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. Fuck, get a rope. You rethinking that middle line now? He's good. I think it just got its name Corner Pocket. Turn right there. You just want to make this turn, then you'll see where to go. And I don't like this rapid. You got to charge over where he's at. See where the guy's sitting on the right? Yeah. I just charge, so if you see a line, take it. It's all good. It's just manky shit down through here. So you want to come out of that little eddy right there, go down, hit that little booth right there, right along that curler. It's going to dry out on you. Use that curler as a guide. Stay right of that curler and just ride it out. And then hang on. And that's exit ramp B right down there. Use that curler as a guide. Bunch of speed, roost up over that rock, ride that curler, and just stay straight. And at the bottom, straighten it up. Don't go far right. You want to be kind of center facing a little bit. There's a big hole down there. Kind of straighten it up before the hole. You'll roost right over it. A little more left. You want to charge out, get over this hump, and then just kind of hang on. And this is the start of stairway, steady down there, and then it's kind of turn and burn.
That's all it is.
Yeah, and there's an eddy in between them.
Yeah.
So there is a little bit of a break. Take your time. I'm gonna get in the water. That means you got to run it first, Wesley. You're on the outside edge, baby.
No. Wait, so what are we doing?
We're just going to peel out and go.
Okay.
Yeah. You've seen how
And
Steve...
I'm staying left.
Just ride the flow. Stay in the flow. There's really no left or right. It's stay in the flow. Yeah, baby. You made it look too clean. I got worked in the eddy.
Hey, kill and swim. Kill and swim.
I got you, man. All right. Where'd the boat go?
Get you back. Woo! Come on, let's get you all the way out. There we go. There we go.
Yeah!
You're all right.
Zip that up.
I was like, I want to be in here.
That was pretty good, man. Safety's a great idea right here.
Oh, yeah. Woo! Well, let's go get the kayak.
No,
Now you see that? See what I was talking about, the piton on the right? Little 10-foot ledges, center and center. They're pretty friendly. Kind of center, keep your bow up. Stay to the right. Yeah.
I was like, I'm just on my brains now.
I wouldn't go, I can't remember where we went, but that's the line where we, yeah.
I think that's what you did is definitely what everyone
Yeah. They told me that you guys peaton. Was it you up there? You're like, he peaton. I was like, I don't know if we ran over there.
I think that you see where that was the front.
Take a look at it. Yes. There's the takeout right there. That's all. Pretty much your group, ain't it? I think we got one more.
You just got one huge kayak, right? Vacation, that's very inconsiderate.
Yeah, Wesley, you made it. No swims, no injuries.
That was better than Thompson. I swam twice on Thompson.
We all have our boats.
I got ejected out of Thompson at the first slide. I hit that dome and rode the last part of it airborne to the pool.
Yeah, probably not a preferred line.
Dude, I've never seen anybody do that.
So this one, you want to plant your boat, stack it up. There's the step ladder. Oh, that's the advantage of having that extra grab loop there. There's a big clearing down here. We'll take a break.